Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload longer reels on Facebook even if the app only lets you post the short videos. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Facebook. Now once you tap on the Facebook's icon, if you see an update button over here, you just have to tap on the option of update in order to update your Facebook application to the latest version. If you don't know, then let me tell you that Facebook recently have expanded the Reels length, but this feature only appears on the new versions. So if you are using the outdated version of Facebook, you need to update it first. Once it is done, tap on the option of open in order to launch your Facebook application. Now over here, tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner. Now, normally Facebook limits you to the shorter clips, but if your account is updated, you will see an option to upload up to 90 seconds or more depending on your region. So you need to simply allow access to your folders. After that, you just have to simply select that particular clip which you want to upload here. Once it is selected successfully, press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you just have to simply just start posting this reel and see if this method is working for you or not. Now, if your reel tab still blocks the long clips, here is the second step that you can basically follow. First of all, you just have to simply come back here on the home page of Facebook. Over here, tap on this plus icon. Now tap on the option of post. Now tap on the option of photos and videos. Now from your gallery, you just have to select that particular post or basically that particular video which you want to post it as reel. Now here, when you press next on the top right hand corner of the screen, you just have to look for the option that says allow remix or show as reel. Once you are able to find that option, simply just turn the toggle button on right next to it. When the uploaded finish, Facebook converts the post into the reel automatically, allowing longer durations than the reel editor does. So if none of these options appear, it may be because Facebook hasn't rolled out the longer reels to your region or your account yet. In that case, you can use upload as video trick or professional mode until the feature arrives officially. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.